Hey my gang, what's going on? So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this insane MeloNX emulator for iOS and Android. So let's get into the video. I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So just go over to hexmods.com and then type it. So let me just do that. So now type MeloNX and you're done. So I'll see you later, but let me just put it in for you guys just so you know how to do it. So yeah, as you can see guys, there it is. So before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. This is the last step. You just have to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free guys from official app store. So if you guys are broke, like just say that. But yeah, this actually works. So if you guys do want to get it for free, be sure to try us out. So as you can see, it says missing files. So you just want to download like 2 of these apps. Like Family Island says reach level 10 to game. So I could do that. I could do the TikTok, which says down to run for 30 seconds. DraftKings. This one you gotta search something up. So just make sure you do 2 of them, guys, and you'll get the MeloNX on your device. So there is a video to watch if you're confused, but it's overall pretty easy. And this method does not involve a computer. So those of you guys who have no computer, you don't need one for this method. So yeah, it's super cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But yeah, definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, if you're broke and you can't afford like a PC or whatever to use MeloNX, you can now do it on iOS. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out, my gang.